What's the meaning of agricultural? Agricultural. 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 The term agricultural refers to the practices and processes involved in cultivating crops and raising livestock for food, fuel, fiber, and other products. It encompasses a wide range of activities including land preparation, planting, harvesting, irrigation, fertilization, pest control, animal husbandry, and food processing. The result of agricultural activities is the production of various agricultural commodities such as grains, vegetables, fruits, meat, milk, eggs, and fibers. These commodities are essential for human survival and play a crucial role in the economy of many countries. Proper management of agriculture is important for sustainable development.